Hey, what's going on, everyone? I am back. Today is August the 10th, 2022. We're going to talk about Upstart today because to some people, the guidance has just gotten worse. But I want to show you all from the chart perspective that people may not actually be believing what they have read or what they've seen regarding Upstart. I'm going to show you all what I think the price in Upstart is going to do going forward, so we don't have to be surprised and that we can actually get in position to capitalize from these price moves. To those who are new, welcome to the channel. If you guys want to join all of my other day ones who support me here on this particular platform, then I also will recommend you do that as well. And you do that by hitting the like button, sharing the video, also subscribing to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well. For real, I'm gonna keep it real. You want to tap that bell notification because every video that I produce is an opportunity for you to understand how this game is meant to be played and how we're able to be the winners rather than the losers. All right, so check this out. Did a video in Upstart. First of all, I always come back and look at what I said during my last video. Okay, so we all can be fully transparent, put everything out on the table, and we all can see what price really did. If it goes right, it goes right. If it goes wrong, I'll still come back and show you all what the market has done in relation to what I was thinking at that particular moment in time. So you guys can see it. I was looking for Upstart to go down in price all the way back on April the 10th, right here. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's still available in my playlist. Yes. So for us to see the market in Upstart trade around $28.45, we cannot act like we're not surprised. The market gave us ample amount of opportunity to know that price was weak. Now, I know there's a lot of people who's been accumulating and buying on the dips and saying that the stock is on discount, but understand, once you actually pull that trigger, you cannot take it back. So everyone who was buying Upstart back in April is down massively. If you just would have seen the signs on the price chart, you guys could have kept the money to yourself and could have bought in at lower levels. But so many people on YouTube is telling you all to continue to dollar cost average in, which is the worst thing that you can do because somebody on the opposite end of your trade is making money. You're losing, they're making the money though. If you don't see any opportunity on a price chart, then don't trade. Go find another market. This is what a lot of the other huge institutions do. High frequency traders. This is what hedge funds do. They find opportunity. They go to where they have an edge. They don't dollar cost average in. Are you serious? They have billions of assets under management. They have no time to dollar cost average in. They look for opportunities. So we need to be thinking the same way. If we don't, we will be taken advantage of. Now, pretty good call. 33.74% was had right here. Let me bring it down to the close of May the 10th. Okay, you guys can see that 62.47%. If it were to get on the trade, last trade of yesterday, you guys can see that's around 68, almost 69%. All right, cool. Let's talk about what the market in Upstart is anticipated to do now. All right, because they did earnings and the market in Upstart did not do too good. Look at that. The estimate was 3 cents. They reported a penny. A surprise of 2 pennies. Right? They estimated to have $241 million on reported 228. So let's talk about the chart though, because I want you all to see that when the market in Upstart first started trading on the NASDAQ, right, the price opened up here. So let me zoom in over here all the way back to December of 2020. That's where the market first started. And here we are today. We are right back to where we were almost 2 years ago. You guys can see that the current price is around $28.45. Look at that. So did we make all-time lows in this stock? Let's see. Let me go ahead and extend out this line. And you all can see that so far we have not. Now check this out though. When you see this from this far out, this vantage point from the high, which occurred in Upstart, right, which is like October the 15th, 2021, all the way back down to the low, is 94% value reduction gone. So everybody who bought stock in Upstart more than likely is in the negative, is losing, is down in the play. Do you all understand that? Everybody who purchased and were buyers in the market in Upstart now is pretty much on a losing trend, except for those who shorted the market all the way back down to $28. Now, the only ones who would be winning in the market would be the ones who initially came in back towards ending of July, beginning of August. The ones who bought here at the bottom. Those are the ones who are currently winning in the market. Everybody else, outside of the short sellers, is losing. Okay. So if you go back and look at any YouTube videos of people trying to pump Upstart, right? And they didn't give you a price target on when to get out, and they're trying to hold this for the long term, understand that they are now in a losing position. In some cases, massively, right? Now, check this out. So far we can say that Upstart currently is nearing a bottom, right? We've already established how the buyers came into the market right here on the 26th of July, all the way until August the 2nd. It's supported price here at $22.50. We get it. Now, we had earnings, okay? Market in Upstart ran up right there on August the 8th, and now we're coming back down. Market closed down about 12% yesterday. So is this a buying opportunity? Right? Look at the market right here in Upstart. The market is so ragged and rigid, it doesn't make any sense that the market is trying to find its footing. We're still in a downtrend. The market could not even continue the move higher on this 2-day price bar. Look at this current one right here. We have 9 hours left on this current 2-day price bar, and that doesn't look bullish at all. 3-day chart. Look at this one. We're still seeing instances to where this market is weak in Upstart. So this is where the current area of sellers are at. Okay, this is where the body of sellers are at in Upstart right now. Okay, they're here. That is why the market currently is going down. We saw the same thing back here in the beginning of July. The price in Upstart cannot trade above $35.50. So for us to be trading down below that area today should not be a surprise. Okay. So understand, if the price in Upstart does not break above $35.50, then we understand that the market is not going to go up. I don't care what anyone says. We need to see that come to fruition in order for us to maintain any instances of bullishness in the market. If that don't ever come to pass, we understand that the best outlook is going to be for the market in Upstart to continue to trade range bound, right? That's what we're going to look forward to. This is Upstart here on the 5-day. So again, this is the weekly time frame. Now we got 2 days and 9 hours left right now in Upstart. And currently, this weekly price bar doesn't look bullish. I tell you right now, in the next 2 days, if this market in Upstart closes the way that it looks now in this weekly price bar, we're going to continue to be weak in the market, right? But we got placeholders. We got areas that we would suspect that buyers will be coming in. And that first area is going to be here. I'll say around like $25. $25.50 would be the first spot for us to see the market buyers approach the market. Okay. And then the second area would be around $23.75, no lower than $22.50. But yeah, the market is weak. Okay. So let's look at this on the hourly chart real quick. As a matter of fact, I'm looking at this on a 30-minute chart because I am noticing that buyers are trying to step in the market in Upstart right here. So where the buyers are trying to come in at. So we may not actually see that much weakness come into the market in Upstart. Okay. So yeah, what I'm seeing right now is that the market is not going to be a massive mover. Pretty much looking at this stock trading range bound. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this particular video is just going to leave it alone. I don't see a lot of opportunity here into the market in Upstart. I want us to see the buyers come into the market quick. So it's telling us that we need to wait into the market in Upstart right now. So that's what I'm going to do on this particular video. I'm not going to drop a price prediction. Now you can, as always, if you guys see something different off the chart, you're more than welcome to leave the comment in the comment section and show everyone what do you think the price is headed. Okay. But right now, the market is telling us we need to chill out. We want to see the outcome of all of the volume that appeared on these 2 days. Okay, right there on August the 8th and yesterday. We want to see the buyers come in, because if the buyers come in and prop up the price at 25, then that tells me that they're still here. And the likelihood of price moving up higher in Upstart is increasing. So I want to see if they're going to show up at 25. If they do, then we'll have to come back in and do another video and play the market move higher. If they don't, we know that the next level is going to be down to 24, all the way back down to 22.50. All right, so I ain't going to touch it. It's your turn though. Go ahead and give me a heads up as to how you think the market in Upstart is going to trade over the next couple of weeks, heading into September. And if you think the market is a buy right now, make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.